Here are the best-selling outdoor storage boxes in the UK for this year. The most popular is Product 1, which is a 270-litre outdoor garden storage box made from 65% recycled plastic, has a 2-year warranty, is super easy to assemble, and looks fantastic in your garden or outdoor area. It's made of durable, weatherproof, and fade-free resin. It also features built-in wheels for easy movement. Reviews for this product say it's easy to assemble, spacious, waterproof, worth the money, a good size, and looks good around the home. The next on our most popular garden and outdoor storage solutions is Product 2. This comes with a fantastic 5-year warranty, a huge capacity of 880 litres, all-weather resistant resin, and comes in 4 different colours. It's very easy to assemble, comes with a heavy-duty floor, can support shelving, and has 2 large lockable doors. It only requires 1 person for assembly and can be done in around 20 to 40 minutes. It's weatherproof, zero maintenance, easy to clean, and fade-free. The last product on our best-selling garden outdoor storage boxes and storage sheds is Product 3, that has an even bigger storage capacity of 1,200 litres, a piston-assisted lid, wide opening doors, and has an elegant wood panel effect. It looks amazing in any UK garden and is one of the most popular selling outdoor storage boxes for this year. It's durable, weather-resistant, maintenance-free, and easy to assemble. It only requires 1 person for assembly and will probably take between 20 and 45 minutes. This has been the best-selling garden storage boxes list for the UK. Which storage option do you like the best? Have you got one of these products? If so, drop a comment below and tell us what you think. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe so we can catch up with you in the next video.